in this way. I applied one force here, and then I apply okay, let me take in opposite direction. Can I do like this also? So let this be a disk. Earlier I took this. No, let me take solid sphere. And there's one more problem. Where all you want to apply it, nobody will trouble you. So 2F applied, sir. Why don't you apply some different force? Let me take 2F, no problem. Where I applied one above center of mass, other is at a distance r, and it's kept on rough surface. No, let's see that what conditions will come here. Net force is what action towards right, so acceleration of center of mass towards right. I think you should not waste much time in such numericals. Huh? It's a very simple idea based, nothing to do. Acceleration of center of mass. Then I'll assume torque. And now you do one thing. I'll apply friction backwards. Sir, on what basis? I don't know. I'm just assuming. Let me write torque equation. If I get negative, I'm going to change direction. Intentionally, I assumed it. I don't know whether I am myself not sure. Better to say. Okay, let's write the equations of motion. 2F minus F minus small f equal to MAC. Then what about the torque equation? 2F into R, then plus small f into R minus F into R by 2 is equal to, this is 2 by 5 mr square alpha c. And for pure rolling, AC equal to R alpha c. Solving this, we'll get expression for the friction. So now what we do, 2FR minus FR by 2. So this will be 3F R by 2 plus small f R equal to 2 by 5. R, let me take outside. R alpha C, what you can write it? R alpha C, and here one capital R will get eliminated. So this will become 2F MAC. R alpha C, I'm writing as MAC. Now solving these two equations. Write FAC equal to anything. Either substitute this in this equation and solve it. So let me add up these two. Friction will get eliminated. 2F minus F, this will be 5F by 2 is equal to 7 MAC by 5. So what is the acceleration is equal to 25F by 14 M. That value of AC substitute here, solve for F. Anybody value F? Value for friction? Oh, this will be 7F by 2, no? Adding up these two, 3F, 7F by 2. 7 ME.
No, sir, it's 5F by 2 only, sir.
3F by 2 plus 2F. Okay, that's 5F by 2. 5F by 2. AC is equal to 25F by 14M. Anybody friction value? Minus 11 MA by 25. Friction MA, it should be in terms of capital F, no?
Minus
Express it
11F by 14, sir.
minus 11F by 14. What to do? Negative sign. I just intentionally brought this question 11F by 14. What to do with how? What to interpret with negative sign? What you assumed is opposite to actual direction. In fact, the friction will not act towards left, will act towards right. Oh, sir, how do you can say towards right? No, the friction will act here now towards right here because we assumed it towards left here. Don't say, sir, negative, so opposite to F. No, because here we have 2F and F. I assumed it towards left, now we'll act towards right. It will act opposite to the actual direction what you assumed. Shall I put it simplest way? Negative sign means not wrong. It will act. So what do you mean by negative sign? Friction acts opposite to direction assumed. We assume left, but it like towards right. Okay, fine now. I think you need not to be scared, no? You can manage. Where do you see all this, sir? Is it any use of this? Simply you're teaching so many things today, but is it practically any use of that one? See, I think you look at the vehicles. Well, let me just give some diagram so that you'll come to know that what you are studying. Otherwise, you feel that some theoretical ideas which nobody knows. That is what I'm studying. You may